This glass of chocolate wonderful deliciousness has been a major contributor to my being so healthy and also enabled me massively to buy 7 houses and travel and make the job optional. So if you're interested, let me know. I'll send you information. You can see if it's something that you want to take advantage of or not. And if it happens to be or not, I will not make you feel weird or like there's something wrong with you if you decide this isn't for you. Okay? So I'll hear from some of you soon who are into that kind of thing of, I don't know, what should we call it? I guess freedom, not having to check your pocketbook or with your boss or a gatekeeper. Just do whatever you want with your time. There's a birth date and a dash date. A birth date and a death date. And then there's a dash in between those two dates. That dash represents your very finite time that you have here on this planet until you're on the other side of that dash, your death date. So it's about reclaiming that dash, really, so you can do what you want with it. Mwah.